Hello, my name is Randy Wostratzky, the Director of Business Development here at the Spectrem Group. Today, we'll be reviewing our Millionaire and Affluent Investor Confidence Indices for the month of September. The Spectrem Millionaire Investor Confidence Index jumped 9 points to a positive 1 in September, a 3-month high, while the Spectrem Affluent Investor Confidence Index gained 2 points to a negative 8. There were more affluent households that chose to retreat from the market this month, according to our survey of investment preferences. This reticence was especially prevalent among non-millionaire investors. But in millionaire households, there was an increase in investment in stocks, coupled with a move away from more conservative investments. The Spectrem Affluent Household Outlook, a survey of attitudes towards financial factors that impact affluent investors' daily lives, was basically unchanged in September, due primarily to the renewed pessimism in the economy, particularly in non-millionaire households. The overall outlook has posted a negative reading for 3 consecutive months, but there were some positive signs. The overall millionaire outlook rose to a 4-month high. We asked affluent investors this month what they consider to be the biggest obstacle to achieving their current financial goals. With just over 1 month until the election, it is not surprising that the economy and the partisan political climate is weighing most on their minds. September saw the release of another disappointing jobs report, coupled with the unresolved fiscal cliff, which will not be addressed until after the November elections, despite renewed caution expressed by Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke. More affluent households in September chose to retreat from the market, according to our monthly survey of investment preferences. Not investing gained 4 points to 39.1, a 10-month high. But affluent investors were not completely content to sit on the sidelines. Stocks rose 2 points to 31.9, a 4-month high. And while stock mutual funds dropped 4.9 points to 29.2, a 4-month low, this was the second most popular investment preference. Investment in cash dropped 7.8 points to 23.1, the biggest decline in 10 months. Our monthly survey further breaks down affluent investor preferences by millionaire and non-millionaire households. Millionaires were more active investors in September. Investment in stocks rose 6.4 points to 43, a 6-month high. The second most active investment was stock mutual funds, which decreased 3.3 points to 32.6, while investment in cash dropped 11.2 points, the biggest decrease in over a year and a half, to 24.8. Non-millionaires invested most in stock mutual funds, which dropped 6.8 points in September to 24.4, an 11-month low. Investment in cash declined 4.4 points to 21.3. Stocks dipped 3.3 points to 19.5, the lowest level in a year. Bond mutual funds were basically unchanged at 12.8.